Chapter 7: Audio Content, Music, and Voice. In the modern world, where the competition for audience attention is higher than ever, audio content is becoming one of the most powerful tools. Podcasts, audiobooks, and background music not only hold listeners' attention, but also create a deep emotional connection with your brand. But what if you have neither a professional voice of your own nor a musical background? Welcome to the era where artificial intelligence makes audio production accessible to everyone. This chapter will show you how to turn plain text into a professional voiceover and how to create original music without knowing a single note. AI removes the technical barriers, allowing you to focus on what matters most: your idea. Traditional audio content creation required expensive equipment, studio recording, and sound engineering skills. Today, these tasks can be solved with neural networks, which offer impressive quality with minimal time and money. We will focus on two key areas. First, voice generation, turning text into realistic speech. This is an ideal tool for creating audiobooks, podcasts, and video voiceovers. And second, music generation, creating unique tracks for backgrounds, intros, and meditations that you can use without any copyright issues. The main players in this market are 11 Labs for voice and Suno AI for music. These services have become a real breakthrough, opening up content creation opportunities that were previously only available to major studios. Creating a high-quality voiceover. Creating a high-quality voiceover is one of the most important factors for projects like audiobooks, podcasts, and videos. The 11 Labs service has become the gold standard in this field, offering realistic voices with a wide range of emotions and intonations. How it works: simplicity and accessibility. You type in the text you want voiced directly into the interface. Voice selection. You can choose from a library of pre-made voices, male, female, with different accents and timbres, or create your own using the voice design feature. Detailing. You can adjust the tone, speed, and emotional inflection of the voice to perfectly match the context. Practical applications for earning. Audiobooks. If you have text you've written or purchased with resale rights, you can turn it into an audiobook and sell it on platforms like Amazon. This is a great way to monetize your content and reach a new audience. Podcasts. An AI voice can be used to voice educational or news podcast scripts. This allows you to focus on finding the information and writing the script rather than on the recording quality. Video voiceovers. Instead of hiring a voice actor, you can use 11 Labs to voice instructional videos, commercials, or presentations, which significantly reduces costs. Remember that the quality of the final result depends directly on the original text. A good AI voice cannot save a poorly written script. Therefore, always edit the text before voicing, remove typos, and make sure it is logically structured. Now, let's talk about creating music. Music is a powerful tool in the content creator's arsenal. It can instantly set the mood, enhance emotions, and make your content truly memorable. Now, to get an original track for your project, you don't need to hire a composer or search for music in paid libraries. Services like Suno AI allow you to generate music from a text description. How it works: you describe the music you want to hear. The more detailed your description, the more accurate the result will be. For example, you can specify the genre, tempo, mood, and even instruments. Example of a simple prompt: an upbeat, energetic 80s-style track for a commercial video. Example of a detailed prompt: calm, atmospheric music for meditation without words. Main instruments are piano and strings, slow tempo with a peaceful and deep tone. Using AI music in your projects. AI-generated music opens up many opportunities for monetization. podcasts, and YouTube, you can create unique intros and background music that will make your content recognizable. You no longer have to worry about licensing and copyright. Video content. With AI, you can quickly generate soundtracks for commercials, instructional videos, and presentations that perfectly match your visuals. Selling digital products. Create and sell unique music tracks for meditation, relaxation, or work. Conclusion: the full cycle of content creation. By mastering AI tools for voice and music, you will be able to fully control the audio content creation process. This allows you not only to save time and money, but also to create truly unique products that will make you stand out in the market. In the next chapter, we will move on to video content. You will learn how to use neural networks to create videos, animations, and edits, combining all the knowledge you've gained about text, images, and audio into a single powerful tool.